Over time, SwitchBot has diversified its product range and established a complete smart home system. During CES 2023, the company introduced the new SwitchBot Hub 2, which brings even more capabilities with its support for Matter. It provides an easier path to get devices, even older SwitchBot Bluetooth devices connected to and controllable by Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings system. SwitchBot sent us the SwitchBot Hub 2 so that we can experience its smart functionality and find out if it's really going to bring convenience controlling all our smart devices. So let's test it out. In case you didn't know what Matter is, the Matter is now a new standard in the world of smart homes that was introduced in November 2022. It aims to simplify the use of smart devices by establishing a unified communication protocol. This means that no matter which device we use, be it Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit, we can easily connect and control all of our smart home products without worrying about compatibility issues. Now, when we open up the SwitchBot Hub 2 box, we found a charger, a USB-C to A, a manual, and a help card, and 2 sticky strips. That's all we need and nothing extra. Upon taking the SwitchBot Hub 2 in our hands, we quickly noticed its entirely plastic build, which felt quite lightweight yet durable. The rear of the device featured a concealed kickstand that doubles as a cover for the USB-C port used for powering the device. Additionally, the kickstand has a notch that allowed us to pass through the power cable and another notch on the main body to enable wall mounting using the double-sided stickers provided. The cable plugs into the Hub 2 in an upright position and slides smoothly through the bottom of the stand. When the hub is not powered up, there isn't much else to observe aside from a small rubber foot that prevents it from sliding around. The most interesting part is, though, the temperature and humidity sensor is actually built into the USB cable itself. Now, you might wonder why SwitchBot actually did that. Why it's not built into the device? Well, it's because the readings of the sensor are more precise because they're not affected by the heat generated by the hub's internal components. Once we connected the Hub 2, it illuminates instantly. The LED display on the front of the hub shows the temperature and humidity levels in our room. Additionally, the 2 customizable buttons on the front of the hub were a great addition. We could set them up to perform specific tasks such as turning off all our lights or locking all of our doors with just one tap. This made it convenient to manage our smart home devices. Now, setting up the SwitchBot Hub 2 was a breeze. The accompanying mobile app was also easy to navigate as we found it to be quite intuitive. After opening the app, the Hub 2 was immediately recognized through Bluetooth, and after that, we had to hold the 2 buttons for a few seconds until the indicator light started flashing. An important thing to note down is the Hub 2 uses a 2.4 GHz network to connect to a Wi-Fi network. One of the standout features of the SwitchBot Hub 2 is its compatibility with a wide range of popular smart home devices. Whether it's a smart light, a smart thermostat, or a smart lock, the hub is able to connect with ease. This meant that we could control all of our devices from a single location via Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, IFTTT, and Siri shortcuts. To set up all voice assistants, we had to go through the cloud services, which can be found under the hub setting in the SwitchBot app. The app is where we can access most of the device's functionalities. To begin, we can choose our Hub 2 by clicking on the corresponding option. Once selected, we can view the temperature, humidity, and light level of the room. Tapping on the light level option displays a graph that shows the level of brightness over a period of a day, week, month, or year. Displayed on the screen are the current readings for temperature and humidity, along with a variety of other options indicated below. Let's navigate back to the main surface where we were able to set up our IR devices. Upon selecting the Add Remote function, we can make a choice to configure our air conditioner by choosing from 3 different options. Our initial attempt at using the Smart Matching feature successfully generated a remote for controlling our air conditioner with the same level of responsiveness and ease as the physical remote. Furthermore, we also tried the TV app, which proved to be convenient for those times when we're in a rush and just can't locate the TV remote. Finally, the bottom section of the screen offered us options for controlling our office lights. Another feature that we loved about the SwitchBot Hub 2 was the ability to create custom routines. With just one tap, we were able to set up a good night routine that turned off all of our lights, lowered the temperature on our smart thermostat, and locked all of our doors. This made it quite easy to manage our smart home devices and made our life simpler and more efficient. The SwitchBot Hub 2 also comes with an improved IR control function, which ensures larger coverage than the previous version. The device uses encrypted communication to protect our data, which is an essential feature that ensures our privacy and security. Overall, we found the SwitchBot Hub 2 to be a useful device for anyone looking to centralize their smart home setup. This is where we HomeKit users can experience the benefits of Matter that allows you to control multiple devices from different manufacturers from a single hub. It's something that was never possible before. Also, we did not find any kind of lag or interruptions while using this device, so if you really want a much easier way of getting your existing devices into HomeKit, then we think it's a worthy purchase. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.